Botalab Suamel Body Cream. Rich body cream that smooths, brightens, moisturizes, and re-texturizes dry, uneven skin, restoring its youthful glow. No animal testing, no animal byproducts. Botalab is committed to providing top-quality, premium vegan products. We rigorously source and select only the finest natural ingredients perfectly suited for total body, and are committed to ongoing research and development. It is possible to create stable, effective botanical body care products that deliver real results while respecting and protecting our environment. Key ingredients: Rosa damascena flower water, Mentha arvensis leaf oil, corn mint, Borosma betulina leaf extract, glycolipids, natural moisturizing ingredients fermented with botanical oil, Suamel sodium hyaluronate, cross-polymer, hydrolyzed collagen, hyaluronic acid infused with collagen hyalucollagen 3, lactobacillus ferment. Key benefits: claims: Eve vegan, certified, no animal testing, no animal byproducts. Botalab is committed to providing top-quality premium vegan products. Fast absorbing, rich whipped cream texture. Lactobacillus ferment strengthens skin barrier with lactobacillus ingredients and offers long-lasting hydration to restore its natural glow. A body cream that instantly nourishes and soothes irritated skin. How to use: 1. To complete your Suamel body care routine, apply liberally all over the body from the neck down. 2. Massage in circular motion until product is completely absorbed. Special care: use after Suamel. Body wash and body scrub, even more moisturized and supple skin.